Hi to all, Sw300DC Dark here. So in today's video we have this. So in today's video we're gonna mount arm gate opener, swing arm gate opener. So we have to put all this to this. So to start we need power supply, which we wanna do from there, and then we need to take all this out to go to the other side of the gate. So stay tuned. But first of all we're gonna read user's manual, because without this we cannot proceed. So stay tuned. In today's video we have automatic gate opener, and this is the model Sw300DC. So if you wanna install this on your doors, follow this video, and that's it. Yeah, as you can see, follow this video. So the easiest way to take these stone tiles is like this. You have to push it this side and it goes out. So this is the easiest way to take out these stone tiles. So you saw, if you use crowbar, how easy it is to take out these wooden stone tiles. So now we did here, we're gonna go in the center of this pile, stone pile, and we're gonna go here and here on the middle. And now we have to mount this. So these gonna go like that. So you make a cross and then you simply put this. So this is in the middle, and here you see the line, and then you simply make a hole for the bolt. So this can be in angle. Let me show you. So here you can see all the angles you can use to mount this. If you go like this, but you have to be careful because they are not in center. So with two bolts you can go like, you cannot like go like this. If you go like this, then it's perfect. And then if you go, I don't know, like this, then you have these two. Or you can go like even 90 degrees, then it looks like this. This maybe more than 90. And if you turn it around, it's the same, but now it is 90. So whatever you need, you put it like that. The other side, these arms are closed like you see now, and to open it like this, you simply put here the key and you turn it like that. So 100 degrees, 180 degrees, and you simply stretch it. And to mount this piece, here you just put the bolt, the nut, and that's it. And you can easily mount this. So with one hand it's not handy, but I will show you like this. So now we're gonna put this to there. So when you put the arm holder like this, you need to open the arm. So it's normally like this, and you just turn it and you pull this out like this. To mount this arm on holder, you need this too. Just simply put it in, secure it, and that's it. And then you go all the way here and you mark it where you want to drill the holes, and then when you put all this thing together, like this, it should be okay. So it needs to be open when the doors are closed. This arm needs to be open. So we put the tube, plastic tube and cable in. So you have to be careful. You have two arms, one with longer cable and one with shorter, so you don't mix. So this is with shorter cable and this is with longer cable. And I will show you not to do this. So how it's to be done: you need to open the arm and put the hanger in, and then you measure the distance. But I will show you. So when you put all this together and you put this mount on, then you put the measuring, and then you drew a hole, not like there before. So we put electrical box here. As you can see down, it doesn't have much space, so now it's all connected. Here you have 240 volts in. You can see it's 240, and here you have, on this connector, you have one motor, black and red, and second motor, black and red. And now everything is prepared to first run. So now all we need is power. So we run into first problem, and I think the most important problem, because when you now try to open the door, so now they are closed, you open it, it doesn't fully open, because in this mount you can adjust how long or how much the gates will open. So I think that we need to go like this. So this is like maybe 45 degrees or 70 if you go around. And we're gonna, now we need to adjust this here. So these two holes, we're gonna have two more. But that's process of learning, no? So now we're gonna drill new holes. We're gonna mount this here, and then I think that we're gonna have fully open and fully closed doors. And now this is a good point. So when you have to adjust this to work, first you do like this. You try to open and close, you see that it doesn't fit, then you try to move this on a different angle, and then you draw like imaginary line here that's now fully open, and then you close it, and then you open the gate. So now this is fully open, and then you see the line fits, and this angle for this door is good. So first you try this, and then it should fit. So now we adjust the doors and this angle, and for this setup it should be look like this. So we move the holder to this point, and now as you can see the doors are fully opened, and now you can fully close. So we have to adjust this. So different angle and same job. So now here, because of this water, we cannot fully open the door, and we had to adjust the angle of this. So this is a little different, and as you can see we've tried here, and here, and we decided this is the perfect one because now it's open, and now it's fully closed. So now let's put a power on the box and start. So to run initial setup you have to open the doors wide open, and then we go to the box, and don't forget to lock. So now they're open, and now they are closed, and the other side too. So the clutch will engage like this, and now we have the power. So now you fully open the door and press the positive button and hold it, and the gates are closing. Yeah, but they are not closing. Yeah, as you can see, this door is closed first, and this one should be closing first. So because this arm is a little shorter, it doesn't use the full length, and this uses the full length, so we have to adjust this by reading the user's manual. So in the user's manual you have to change OH settings, gate open delay, because we need to this door to start first. So we go to program, we go to OH settings, and we're gonna put 2 set, and now we're gonna push the, you see now it should be yes. So this is now it will open and close the door 2 times. So this is the first time, and now this will be the second time, and you see this door starts first because we put delay on that door, and now you see perfect. So that's it. Now the only thing is to using the K-fob, so let's do that. OH, and 3 is not enough, 4, it has to be 4, because now when you open the gates, the problem is when the doors are closing, then we had a slight problem, but now it's perfect. And now when you close it, you see these doors goes the other way, and now now it's perfect. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and wait for my next video. Sw300DC Dark out. Bye. And don't forget to support me. Thanks.